Well, howdy, William from Williams Philippines. Gonna be a busy day today. Yeah, got to pick up some mail, go do therapy again. And yes, Winter, I was toting a log and it kicked me there. Uh, yeah, stupid on Stupid Street. It happens. Anyway, somebody leaving. Anyway, life happens. Sometimes it's painful. Let's see. Hit therapy, go to the grocery store, go pick up my credit card at the post office, or my post box, and then, get over, hit the grocery store, and go to the pharmacy and get some stuff from the pharmacy. And what else was there? I wrote like 5 or 6 things down on my little ledger. So yeah, got a bunch to do today. It's my weekend. And tomorrow, since I've got something getting delivered, I'm going to stay around the house and I'm going to work on mowing my lawn again. We've had just way too much moisture. The grass is just growing like crazy. I'll be glad when it dries out a little bit so the grass don't grow like that. I'm not used to, 6-7 inches of growth in a week. Yeah. It's ridiculous. But that's kind of part of up here with the Panhandle. It's dry, high and dry, and then when it does get wet, it turns green, grows, and yeah, it just goes crazy. And then it dries out real quick afterwards. I don't really like the idea of it drying out real quick afterwards. I just don't like that sudden growth that keeps happening for long periods of time, and then you end up with, knee deep, chest deep. I went by my lot, and it's waist deep over there. Yeah. I'm glad they're getting a phone call on getting that one cleaned up. I hope they have fun paying for it. Yeah. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm glad I sold that and got the money. I also plan on, I pulled 3 guns up that I was going to carry over to the gun store and get a consignment on. See what I can get out of them. We'll see. But yeah, there's always something that needs to be done around here. So today I'm actually going to have a little bit of a whirlwind and get a few things done. And I'm even thinking I might swing by and try to catch a few friends at lunch. Talk with them at lunchtime and see what they're up to. I haven't caught up with them in a while. I need to go talk. The Ham Radio Club has a lunch, and haven't made it there in a while. So, yeah. That's one of the things I'm going to be doing today. Yeah. So, if I can get back home by 3 today, I'll be doing good. I don't really like being out that late, but if I can get everything done, yay. If not, well, crap happens. I can always put some of it off till Friday, I guess, but I really don't want to have to wait that long. I got things to do. And Friday already has something on the idea board of, hey, something else needs to be done. So, yeah. Always way too much on the schedule. But yeah, I've got the guns I really want to try to get out there, and the longer they're out there for sale, the better price I'll probably get in the long run, because fewer or more people will have better chance to look at it and decide whether they want to try to get it and how much they're willing to offer. And oh yeah, that's another thing. Call and talk to the lady about the table for the October gun show, so I can carry my ammo over and put that, get that there. So, because I need to get rid of all this ammo. Part of me says, get it to some friends and just let them have it, but I need the money. So, it is what it is. Anyway, been a bit of a busy morning. Another update, and the system was down for a little while. Only about 30 minutes this time. So they already had this one scheduled, planned, and implemented and done all before I even knew it was supposed to happen. So yay. Don't you just love, the communication from corporate letting you know that, hey, our system's going to be down for a while. It is what it is. Sorry. Trying to keep the computer awake. The printer and the computer are both members of the Air Traffic Controllers Union. Yeah, they get to sleep on the job. The good thing is they don't crash airplanes. Only each other. The printer crashes the computer quite often. Yeah. Said that one day to the guy, and he was an air traffic controller from the local air tower out here at the airport. Yeah, he didn't like my sense of humor. His problem. I mean, seriously, if you ain't got a sense of humor, it's not my fault. That's an internal problem between this and that on you. I hope you have a sense of humor. I hope it's a good one. But hey, not my job to worry about it. And, oh yeah, I don't care if you don't. That's your problem. I'm working on my problems. Don't make your problem my problem, because you won't like my solutions. Yeah, I'm not a brain surgeon. That's why I don't do other people's problems. I barely want to handle mine. Yeah. But at least I can just work between here and here on my problems and usually fix them without a body count, which is a good thing. Yeah, because operating shovels is just too much work. Just saying. Think about it. Anyway, yeah, I am definitely ready for my weekend, and part of me says tell my boss I'm going to take this weekend off. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'll probably know Thursday, one way or another, whether I want to try to have a garage sale on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well, yeah, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All I know is it's supposed to be really hot. And, yeah, last I checked, yeah, let me grab this real quick and I'll double check. It is, last I checked, was supposed to be, come on, machine. Yeah, supposed to be having, why is this fighting me? Okay. Today, 101. Tomorrow, 104, 102, 100. So yeah, and then 97 and 97 on. Oh, hang on. My system hadn't updated. Today is supposed to be 104. Tomorrow is supposed to be 103 for Thursday. Yeah, and then 99, 99, 97, 100, 102 again. So 4 out of the next 5 days, or 4 out of the next 7 days is supposed to hit 100 plus. And the other 3 days are all pretty much right under 100. So, yeah, 104 today. What is that, 40 degrees Celsius? Let me check. Yeah, yeah, 40, 39, 37, 37, and then 39, 38, and 39 Monday and Tuesday. And I lay odds it's probably going to be higher than that, because for some strange reason, these folks only catch usually the lower temperatures. Why is this thing fighting me? All right, there we go. Okay. Sorry. The weather report is over. Anyway, yeah. It's supposed to be pretty hot. But it's a dry heat up here. And yeah, the humidity is what was looking pretty good for today. So, yeah. Like I said, hopefully it'll dry out and the grass will stop growing like it's going out of style. That's all. I'm tired of mowing the lawn. I mean, seriously. It's been growing so much. I've actually had to do like extra work to keep my lawn mowed. And if I don't do it, the city gets all, shorts in a knot and panties in a twist. And then they try to take and charge me money for them coming out and doing it. Yeah, I'm not going to let them get away with that. So I'll go ahead and do it myself, as much as I hate mowing lawns. So yeah, this weekend is going to be fun. But it is what it is. Oh, and just got paid today, so I'll be, or last night, so I'll be, taking and doing my bills and paying my bills, because yes, it's the first of the month and is supposed to get your bills paid. Because if you don't pay your bills, well, you end up living under a bridge eating out of trash cans. Well, not if you're working, though. You might live under the bridge, but you could afford to eat somewhere else. Yeah, I don't like the idea of living under a bridge. It's way too noisy, and yeah, the critters and such. Two-legged also. So, yes. Don't need those kind of problems. But yeah, being, like accepting the consequences of your choices and trying to build on them, and, try not making bad choices. Because choices are painful if you make bad ones. What was it? John Wayne said, life is hard. It's harder when you're stupid. I liked John Wayne. Yeah, a good guy. But yeah, he didn't pull many punches. He pretty much said what he thought and didn't really care if you liked it or not. So yeah, life's hard. It's harder when you're stupid. Anyway, I hope everybody has a blessed day and makes a lot of good choices. It is what it is. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and later blessings, bye-bye, and a full meal to all of you. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.